Welcome back. In this video, we're going to discuss some resources that are available directly through the shell and can help you while working in Linux. One of the great things about Linux is that you can get help right through the command line. The first command that can help you in this way is man. Man displays information on other commands and how they work. The name of this command comes from the word manual. Let's examine this more closely by using man to get information about the usermod command. After man, we type the name of this command. The information that man returns includes a general description. It also contains information about each of usermod's options. For example, the option D can be added to usermod to change a user's home directory. Man provides a lot of information, but sometimes we just need a quick reference on what a command does. In that case, you use whatis. Whatis displays a description of a command on a single line. Let's say you heard a coworker mention a command like tail. You've never heard of this command before, but you can find out what it does. Simply use the command, whatis tail, and learn that it outputs the last part of files. Sometimes we might not even know what command to look up. This is where apropos can help us. Apropos searches the manual page descriptions for a specified string. Let's try it out. Let's say you have a task that requires you to change a password, but you're not quite sure how to do this. If we use the apropos command with the string password, this will display a large number of commands with that word. This helps somewhat, but it still may be difficult to find what we need. But we can filter this by adding the a option and an additional string. This option will return only the commands that contain both strings. In our case, since we want to change the password, let's look for commands with both change and password. Now, the output has been limited to the most relevant commands. These commands make it a lot easier to navigate the Linux command line. As a new analyst, you won't have all the answers all the time, but you can learn where to find them. You will get more resources link in the description box. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share to your friends, and if you still didn't subscribe to our channel, please subscribe. It motivates us to make more education-related videos for you. Also comment us, so we are able to get in which topics you need more videos.